Healthy-ojas.com. Vital information for a healthier life.
Welcome to this video on turmeric herbal smoking, Dhumpan, to heal the respiratory system. In this episode, we are going to see about the following. What is herbal smoking? Dhumpan. Health benefits of herbal smoking. Nanocarbon in turmeric smudge. Antimicrobial activity of turmeric. Turmeric prevents virus replication. Turmeric inhibits cytokine storm. The anti-inflammatory property of turmeric prevent sepsis. What turmeric type to use for herbal smoking? How to do herbal smoking? An alternative method of herbal smoking. My experience with herbal smoking. Before going into the details, I request you to subscribe to this channel by clicking the red subscribe button once and pressing the bell button next to the subscribe button. Okay, now let us enter into the topic. What is herbal smoking? Dhumpan. Dhumpan is a Sanskrit word. Dhum means smoke and pan means drink or intake. Together it means to inhale or consume the smoke. Dhumpan in Ayurveda is herbal smoking carried out to detoxify, rejuvenate and empower the whole body. It works as a preventative for emotional and seasonal outbreaks and indicated in various diseases. Health benefits of herbal smoking. In traditional Indian medical writings, the fumigation of the operating room with fumes of herbs was considered an early form of antiseptic of the air. Some of the acquired knowledge about inhalation of turmeric smudge include: inhaling smoke relieves congestion due to chronic cold or cough and releases large amount of mucus from the sinus cavity. Burning dry turmeric rhizome dipped into coconut or neem oil to relieve sinusitis. Useful for hysteria, typically involves strong, emotionally irrational behavior and violent outburst. Mostly herbal smoking will provide immediate relief for the above said conditions. Nanocarbon in turmeric smudge. Burning dried turmeric root and inhaling the smoke is a widespread Ayurvedic practice in India. Traditionally, it has been effectively used to treat cough and cold. This practice has been handed down traditionally from grandmother to mother and daughter. Reference: the ethnopharmacological aspects of carbon nanodots in turmeric smoke, published in Scientific Reports 2016. Antimicrobial activity of turmeric. COVID-19 death not only due to SARS-CoV-2 virus infection alone, but also due to multiple infection from different bacteria, viruses and fungi. Cell-based studies and clinical trials that have been reported so far have provided evidence that curcumin could be effectively used as antimicrobial, that is, against different bacteria, viruses and fungi. Reference: multifaceted role of marble gold molecule curcumin, a review published in Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Science 2018. Turmeric prevents virus replication. About 80% of the infected people with coronavirus have asymptomatic, no symptoms, or only mild symptoms because of their immune system's response in time. It stops the replication of virus in the nasal cavity. Thus, if you can stop the replication of the virus, then you can able to manage the coronavirus without any harmful effects. Curcumin in turmeric completely prevent the replication and budding of respiratory syncytial virus and the epithelial response in human nasal epithelial cells. It strongly increased the epithelial barrier via its pharmacokinetic effect. Reference: curcumin prevent replication of respiratory syncytial virus and the epithelial response to it in human nasal epithelial cells, published in +1 2013. Turmeric inhibits cytokine storm. About 2 to 5% of the infected person with coronavirus may face complications such as breathing difficulty due to liquid accumulation in the lungs. Also, they may need a ventilator. Inflammation and liquid accumulation in the lungs are due to an overreaction of the immune system. This causes cytokine storm. Instead of protecting us from the viruses, the overreacting immune system causes health complications. Curcumin in turmeric also has an inhibitory effect on virus-induced cytokine storm that occurs as a result of an overprotection of immune cells and pro-inflammatory cytokine. Turmeric modulates immune responses, meaning it can both upregulate or downregulate immune responses as needed. Reference: the inhibitory effect of curcumin on virus-induced cytokine storm and its potential use in the associated severe pneumonia, published in Frontiers in Cell and Developmental Biology, 12 June 2020. Other beneficial effects of curcumin suggest it may be suitable in the treatment of COVID-19 to reduce liquid accumulation in the lungs, decrease lungs injury, reduce airway inflammation, help treat pneumonia, and improve lung index. The anti-inflammatory property of turmeric prevents sepsis. Sepsis is a result of massive immune response to infection that causes inflammation throughout the body and blood poisoning. Sepsis is an important contributor to the death of COVID-19 patients. The protective effect of curcumin make it a novel therapy for sepsis. Reference: the anti-inflammatory effect of curcumin in an experimental model of sepsis is mediated by an upregulation of peroxisome proliferator activated receptor gamma, published in Critical Care Medicine, July 2006, Volume 34, Issue 7. What turmeric type to use for herbal smoking? Though there are many varieties of turmeric, two among them are most popular. Turmeric bulb, it is round, elongated in shape. This variety used for ceremonies and rituals considered sacred, and people keep this at home as divine energy. Turmeric finger, it looks like ginger root. This variety is popularly used in curry powder used for cooking. For herbal smoke inhalation, use this thin long one. How to do herbal smoking? You need turmeric and castor oil to perform turmeric herbal smoking. Try to use the best quality castor oil and organic turmeric. Take a piece of turmeric and soak portion of it in a castor oil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then hold the dry end and light up the soaked end of the turmeric. Once it starts burning, allow it for a few seconds and put off the flame. It will start emitting smoke. Use it as an inhaler. Blow air if needed to continue emitting smoke. Inhalation of the smoke through the nose and exhalation through the mouth is one cycle. Therapeutic benefit involves repeat this cycle 3 times. An alternative method of herbal smoking. Some people, specifically children and people with allergic reaction, find it irritating and difficult to inhale turmeric smoke. So I prefer the alternative method to fill the room with turmeric smoke. It is simple to follow, still you can get all the benefits. An hour before going to bed, close all the windows and doors and burn the turmeric. Allow it to emit fumes for about 5 minutes and fill the room with enough smoke that is convenient without any uneasiness. This helps you and your loved ones to inhale the smoke in a small dosage convenient for the entire night. Additionally, it helps to eliminate bacteria, virus and fungus in the room air. My experience with herbal smoking. 1 year back, my wife got respiratory tract infection and she was on antibiotic treatment for a lengthy time for complete recovery. In the middle of her treatment, my son also developed the same infection. I am not interested to treat my son with an antibiotics. So I searched for an alternative. When I was a child, my grandfather used to inhale the smoke of turmeric while he had a severe cold. Remembering this, I decided to try it out. But my son has an allergy to smoke and not able to inhale the fumes of turmeric. So I think about an alternative method and come up with the one I have said. Even this simple method has some difficulty while he enters the room. But after few minutes, his body slowly accepts it. He recovered from the infection in a week without antibiotics. The turmeric smudge smoke may help eliminate microbes, stop virus replication in the nasal cavity, inhibits cytokine storm and prevent sepsis. So you can able to manage coronavirus better, and my best wishes for the same. That's all from today's episode. If you have any doubt or need clarification, then without any hesitation, please raise the doubt as a comment. I will try to answer. My humble request to all, please like and share this video as much as possible. It motivates me to make more informative video for you. I request you to share your thoughts. I will read every comment and take your suggestion. Thank you for watching this video, and I will meet you soon with another useful video. Until then, goodbye.